2nd of January, first week or first day of trading in 2024. Welcome everybody, volume day trader guys. Today, accept the best wishes for you for 2024. I also wish you, of course, the best transaction and huge profit in upcoming months, upcoming weeks, and upcoming days. Today, after the long time, I made a decision that I will be much more active on this channel today. According the fact that we have the first session, we are just before the first session in 2024 on US stock market. I decided also today to give you some free PTA signal which we are sharing with our subscribers on volumedaytrader.com website. For those who are first time here, what we are doing, we are just making the analysis for you, and based on daily activity from Monday to Friday in trading days, before the US session, we are sending you PTA signal, potential trading area signal, based on our own research, and of course based on volume and pure price action strategies based on Richard Wyckoff methodology, which is measuring imbalance between demand and supply on the market. We are super accurate regarding the signals we are sharing with our subscribers. Of course, this is not any market advisory. This is only my opinion, which is supposed to also be taken as a good trading lesson. And today, because we have the first session of trading in 2024, I would love to share with you my signal, which I'm gonna to trade, and I'm gonna explain in a bit what is going on. So for today's video, I choose the future contract, which is a wheat future contract, March 24. Of course, it can be also the contract which expire in upcoming months, not in March, but I took March 24 as an example because right now traders trade this contract. Of course, for those who doesn't have the access to future contract, you have the access to CFD contracts on such commodities, so you can compare the chart and you can also take some advantage of what I'm gonna present it. So here we are. This is a chart of wheat. Let's squeeze the market a bit and see how in 2023, that was the beginning of 2023, future contract on the beginning 2023 cost around 870, then the price went down to the level of 650, rebounds, and right now look what's happened here. Let me just prepare this chart, and okay, I can let's have a big chart like this. And what do we see on this chart? So first pattern which appear is stopping volume. What is a stopping volume? It's volume spread analyzes signal. Those signals based also on the Wyckoff methodology. And right now, the signal appear in September 29 and was followed by, just a second. This is okay. And that was 29 of September, and that was a weekend at the time. And after the weekend, 2nd of October, we have another pattern, which or another candle, which create us a pattern which is called stopping volume. What is a stopping volume? This is a very large regarding the spread, the size of the candle. Okay, so let's see if we just create this candle, and we will take this rectangle, and if we compare, we cannot find such large candle since the time we start decreasing the price. That was the first candle, And that was the last candle. Okay, you see that what is happening on the market. So there was no such candle since this first large red candle. So we have a very widespread kind of a panic. Okay, that is how we explain it. This is a panic, and then in this panic, a lot of traders or a lot of contract was put it on the sale. At the same time, someone was buying, but the supply overcome demand, and we closed the day very deep low. And the next day, you see the candle which is green and which close in the middle of this huge size candle. We close somewhere in the middle, and the volume was 50% higher than the volume on the previous day. So this is typical stopping volume. Okay, means that smart money step in the market. That is the first step they did. They buying, they vacuum, they accumulate. Then we have, so this is a phase E according to accumulation. And accumulation, all those patterns are very in details described and presented in our Wyckoff course, which you can just have once you subscribe us and you subscribe to the report, and you have the same time you have the access to this course. So all patterns are very well described, but I'm giving you this setup today without subscription. So this is a gift. I think you can take some advantage from that, and later we can be a part of the big team and you can continue with us. So the second day, we close in the middle of the previous candle, and also the volume was on this second day was higher than 50% of volume in the previous day. Okay, that is very important. Then the market goes sideways. This is, we call it phase A, phase B. Okay, and here there is a phase C. Market goes down. Look at the volume, very low volume. Look at this swing. Look at this swing. Prices goes down, volume goes down. Where we have a big buying here sign here, here, and here. This is a big buying here. Then the market test again this low, and look at that. Look at this. Prices goes down, volume goes down. Okay, this is a fake breakdown. We call it spring formation. Spring formation is also very well described in our course. And then the next day we coming back again to the range, and look how quick in the time meaning regarding the time, in short time we are going to the upper band and we're breaking this band, and look what's happened with the volume. Prices goes down, volume goes down, prices goes up, volume goes up, prices goes down, volume goes down. And right now we are waiting to breaking the, we are almost in phase D going to phase E, which means that we're supposed to expect a further movement to the upside. And our buying signal, where I'm gonna buy this sweet future contract or CFD, whatever, we're trading future contract, but it could be also a CFD, breaking this high of this candle or this level, okay? That is what we are waiting for. And for a better understanding, subscribing us, you also have the access to volume, cumulative volume. And this is amazing, guys. This is how we can see cumulative volume on the swing. What does it mean? Means that we have a big buying here, okay? On the chart like this, you see the big money activity or big guys activity here, here, but look how they hide their intention here. And our indicator, which is going with our subscription, shows you this movement. And look at this, that scale by 1,000. So 750,000 future contracts bought it on this swing. That was the largest buying action since that time, even since I think 2000, even in 2000, yeah, the big buying action in 2023. Okay, here 750,000 future contracts, and no more cheap wheat. And look at this swing. The market tried to break, then some short selling appear here, 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 and here. Look at the numbers. Let me read it loudly. 141, 57, 39, 38. The selling pressure decrease here, decrease here, decrease here. Look at the close. We are just about to break again. So we gonna be long, and according to knowledge, the market is ready to go to the upside. Okay, that is my opinion. Based on the Wyckoff methodology and based on this indicator, and also based on the signals which price action and volume signals here. That is a wheat which is ready to go to the, maybe not to the moon, because we cannot predict the future. But I want to risk the money seeing such setup and seeing such price action and money movement, because here is a huge volume. The largest purchasing action here means that they are not individuals. The smart money put the money here, and sellers losing the pressure based on this indicator. And of course, every transaction is supposed to have a stop loss or some protection order. And the one of the idea is to enter long here. Very aggressive stop loss supposed to be somewhere here or on the swing low here. Okay, this is a high, swing low. So maybe I would consider with my students maybe smaller position and a stop loss here, or aggressive position and aggressive stop loss as well. Two option, but usually, like not usually, but sometimes the shakeouts happen here. Market try to be cleaned by the smart money. So I afraid that they can hunt the stop loss, the tight stop loss here. But that's also a good, like, according to knowledge, is also like the good idea to put the stop loss here. But I prefer the give the market a little bit more place here, put the stop loss here, and trade just here. And I will expect at least 2-1. So still I have a chance for this high from the July. It will be exactly, maybe I will show you. If I enter here and I put the stop loss here, so sorry, stop loss here, okay. I just changed my Fibonacci indicator just to. So I have a 1-1. I have here what I risk, I gain. Here 1-1, and here it will be 2-1. Okay, we can just take this Fibo right now. I'll use Fibo to taking the profit targets. Here 1-1. 2-1, still below these highs here. So that's exactly good setup, and I'm giving more space for more room for this trade. It can take few weeks or even few months, this trade. But in my opinion, market is about to go to the upside and is ready to, is bought by the large operators. Thank you very much. Have a good year, 2024. A lot of good transaction, a lot of money. And I hope to see you guys in our trading room, in our daily reports. Thank you very much. See you soon, hear you soon. Bye-bye.